everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm your friend Param and I'm back with another exciting video. The year 2020 is coming to an end and I know most of you must be planning for your New Year Eve's party. I know in the current situation most parties are gonna be only indoors in the safe confines of our homes. However, it would be a very good idea to dress up for your own personal New Year's Eve party. As part of it, here's a New Year party makeup that I put together with my supportive sister Mona, who is going to be my model today. So without any further ado, let's get started. We have already prepped the skin and I'm going to be doing the eye makeup first because I've planned a heavy makeup look. To prep her eyes, I'm applying a NARS eyeshadow primer to her eyelids and spreading it evenly over the lids. Beginning with the eyeshadow, today I am going to be using the Pro Eyeshadow Palette number 2 from Klara Cosmetics. First, I am going to be picking a beige color for my transition shade and applying it on her brow bone and blending it all over the eyelid. Next, I've picked a brown shade and applied it on the outer corner of her eye, blending it towards the inside. Now to intensify the look, I am picking a shimmery wine shade and applying it on the eyeball area. I've used a few drops of water to wet the brush before picking up the eyeshadow. This helps me in getting a more intense color and also the eyeshadow will not be fading out easily, making it last all night. Next, I've picked a black eyeshadow and blending it just on the outer corner of her eye to add more dimension. Now I've picked a black gel eyeliner from Maybelline and I'm applying a thick line on her lids, making sure not to wing it out. Using my Ferrarucci Eyebrow kit, I'm going to be filling her eyebrows well so that they complement her eye look. I've also gone ahead and applied false lashes on her eyes off camera. Once we are done, I am using a cotton pad to clean out the eyeshadow fallout from her under eyes. Starting with the face primer, I am using a PAC Pore Primer and applying it all over her face. Next, I've picked an orange color corrector from LA Girl and applied it on her under eyes to color correct her under eye darkness. Once I blend the corrector, I pick up a concealer from Tarte in the shade medium and apply it on top of the corrector. I'm also applying it on the sides of her nose, mouth and marks and other dark areas. I'm blending it all together. Now comes the foundation. I've picked up the Makeup Forever Liquid Foundation in the shade Y305. Using a Chanel loose powder, I apply it on the under eyes, forehead and sides of her nose. I have avoided applying the powder on her cheeks because she has slight dryness on her cheeks. Now to complete her eye look, I am using the same dark brown shade that I used earlier and apply it on her lower lash line. Also, I apply a dark eyeshadow on the outer corner of the lower lash line to give it a more smoked out effect. Next, for the blusher, I am using Smashbox blusher to apply it on the apples of her cheeks, blending it towards the temples. I also make sure to dust a little bit of the same blusher on her nose, forehead and chin. Time for the highlighter and I am using the Becca Highlighter in the shade Opal and applying it on her brow bone and on the high points of her cheeks. For the mascara, I've used the Bad Girl Lash Mascara from Benefit on her to blend her natural lashes with the falsies. To complete the makeup, I am using a lipstick from MAC in the shade Vegas Bold and slightly overlining her lips to give them a more fuller look. So this is the look that we created today. So how did you like this look?
I'm really loving it. I'm feeling so beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And I hope you also enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed putting this look together. Please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to turn on the notifications. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.